Okay, second graders, today you are going to use two different kinds of units to measure different objects. Yesterday you used paper clips. Today you're also going to use cubes. So first you're going to measure with the cubes, the connecting cubes, and then you're going to measure with the paper clips. You'll write your answers right here. This one says cubes, paper clips. So if I measured from here to here using the cubes, it is 7 cubes long. But if I measure from here to here using paper clips, it is 4 paper clips long. All right, number 2, you're going to measure from this line to this line and tell me about how many cubes tall, and then measure with paper clips tall. All right. Okay, this might be a little bit different because we're using smaller paper clips than they are. But let's look at, do you understand? Would you need more connecting cubes or paper clips to measure the length of your desk? Why? So let's write a complete sentence. You are doing this as well. We would need more cubes because they are what? Not as long. They are shorter. Ooh, using that superlative comparative adjective. Period. Complete sentence. I have a capital letter and an ending mark, a period. And does it make sense? Yes, we would need more cubes because they are shorter. Yeah, that makes sense. Go to the next slide. Okay, now you are going to use connecting cubes and the paper clips I give you to measure these objects. So you're going to measure your shoe on number 3. Just do it at your desk quietly. You can measure the bottom from here to here. You don't need to take off your shoe. Number 4, you're going to measure a notebook from the top of the notebook to the bottom using paper clips and cubes. Number 5, you're going to measure the tape dispenser. It's back behind my desk. If there's someone already there, you need to patiently and quietly wait. You'll do cubes long and paper clips long. And number 6, you're going to get a piece of paper and measure it. Number 7, and remember using cubes and paper clips, which is about the height of a key. So a key, like you would lock a door with, would it be about 3 cubes, about 4 paper clips, or about 8 cubes? Take your best estimate. Go to the back. All right, number 8. Measure to solve the problems below. Number 8. Mickey drew a robot. About how tall is the robot? Start with connecting cubes. Start here, measure here. How many connecting cubes is that? Then use paper clips. Measure from here to here. How many paper clips tall is that? Number 9. About how long is the pencil? Start at the eraser. Stop at the tip of the pencil lead. Is it A, about 1 paper clip long? B, about 7 cubes long? C, about 11 paper clips? Or D, about 20? Number 10. Describe an object in your classroom, then use connecting cubes and paper clips to measure its length. Please make sure it is something close to you. It can be anything from something in your desk to a book to a book box, and you can describe it. So you can start off with, I chose a blank. Maybe it's a book. Okay, if it's a book, tell me the title. And then tell me about how many connecting cubes tall or long it is, and about how many paper clips. When you are done, take it home. And then you can get on Prodigy since it is Thursday, or Front Row if you would like to.